Here we are at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show in the world of Scout. They have a whole island of just gorgeous boats. It's different kinds of boats, good for all kinds of people. Depending if you want to cruise, use it as an attender, fishing. This is only a few of the boats they make. So check them out when you're making your decisions. Scoutboats.com. It's Scout World. Here we are at Scout Boats, and they have some awesome selections here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. Here's one I really love. It's the 420 LXF. And across the dock, this is their showstopper. This is the 530 LXF. Yeah, it's gorgeous. And look at it. These got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Mercury 450 bad boys. Scout Boats. This is your dream boat.